Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's more of a vlog style video. I'm going to be making some clay earrings and I thought I would bring them along with me. I have a clay roller, but it's kind of out of commission right now. I need to fix it, so I'll be doing a lot of hard rolling it myself, which is always good every once in a while. But I thought I would let you guys join me and talk a little bit about the future of this channel, what I'm kind of planning for some future videos, and just have a good time. So I have these cute ghost stamps. I'm gonna try out both of them. I'll try out the big one first since I have all of it prepped. And this one is supposed to have like flowers. Oh, it's cute. That's so cute. Okay, let me get this side. Yes, that one needs a little more stamping. Sweet, so cute. Okay, I'll come back to that. I'm gonna stamp some of these small ghosts. Oh, he's so cute. He's a little broken. We'll do some more. This clay's acting weird today. All right, let's peel this all up. Resemblance of fall. Oh no, no, that's okay. We'll do it again. As soon as I feel some resemblance of fall, I have to start making fall earrings and Halloween stuff. That's the thing, is I love Halloween. So whenever fall starts to seep in, it turns to Halloween decorating and jewelry making, and I get back out my fall outfits. It's just great. This clay is giving me issues. I was trying to pull it up and then this happened. So I don't know if I just didn't warm it up enough or if this is just low quality clay. I think it's probably the second one because I've made it pretty warm. We'll keep messing with it. I really want these ghost earrings. I don't know how, but the clay, when I was rolling it, got a little dirty and scratched up. So I guess that'll be the style I'm going for. There's not much I can do. It's a good thing I'm not selling these. I might sell the small ghosts because they turned out really well. But yeah, these guys, probably not because they're not turning out as well as I want them to. That might have been good if I can get it out. Yay! Yay! Okay, I poked him in the head. But he's got kind of a rough texture anyways, so I can smooth that out when I smooth out the rest of him. This guy worked out too! Now we got two of them. Okay, so now we can actually turn these into earrings. Okay, next we're breaking out our orange. Yeah, so I've used this orange before. I got a little contaminated. There we go. Let's just pull off some of it and we can warm it up and get it working. I'm gonna go off camera for that. I'm starting to think that this is the problem, the thing I'm rolling it on instead of the clay. So I'm gonna go grab some parchment paper and we're gonna try some stuff out. I think I'm probably gonna need to tape it to it, so let's do that. Okay, we'll see if this stays or even works, but I think it might help us out a lot. So let's try this out. Oh, a little bit of white got in here. Hopefully if I mix it well enough, it'll just blend right in. Here's the test. If it sticks to it, it's the clay. Oh, okay, whatever. I'm gonna keep this on here because it still is easier to work on the paper. Look, like that comes off easier. So I guess we're just gonna have to do our best with what we have. I'm gonna try to flatten it down with my fingers as much as I can before rolling it and see if that helps. Oh, and he's stuck in there, but he gave me a little thing to grab him with, and he is cute. I love the pumpkins. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple more of those. Okay, we'll get this out in a little bit. Now I'm gonna do some leaves before this is all gone. Okay, I peeled it down from the bottom and it actually still turned out surprisingly well. So that's good. We'll keep that. Okay, we've moved on to yellow. We're gonna do some more leaves because I am digging these leaf stamps. And I'm also getting better. I mean, that's not a great example, but I'm getting better at this. I'm able to pull them out without hurting them. And I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit. I have this over here where I'm keeping all of mine. Yeah, I know I didn't film the brown ones. Sorry, I forgot. I don't even know if I filmed the orange ones, but oh, it's getting squished. But they're looking cute so far. I think they're gonna be really cute as earrings and beads and all that. So let's keep going. We're gonna do these shapes today. Okay, so I've got them stamped. This is what I did with the brown ones and they worked. So and I'm gonna center that as much as I can and press down. Oh no! We'll see how this turns out. Oh, did it work? Yeah. Now I just need to figure out what exactly I want to do with all of these so I can punch the appropriate holes for them. I've got my nice little hole puncher right here. I've already punched holes for some of them, as you can see. I'm gonna make these ghosts into earrings. I'm gonna make this ghost into a necklace, so I should probably just punch the hole now since I know. So all these little ones I'm gonna arrange and see if I can get an idea of what kind of earrings I'm trying to make. Originally, I was just going to do a time-lapse and do a voiceover over this entire sequence, but I think you should enjoy the fast-forward version of me talking, so I'll let you. Okay, when I'm done arranging these and I'm done poking all the holes, it's time to put it in the oven. Now, let's look at our baked earring charms that we've made now. If I sound sick, it's because I am. Sad day. But anyways, look how cute these turned out. Oh my goodness. So now I'm gonna decide which ones I want to add color to, which ones I want to glaze. The glazing I will be doing with just like my gel nail polish and using the UV light. And I think I'm going to start with these ghosts. So I need to pair which ones I think go together best. I think these two are more round. I'm going to try to Sharpie in the eyes. We'll see how this goes. I think I'm going to try it with some paint this time. Yeah, that's what we're going for. But I made these eyes a little too big, so I'm going to try to do this guy as well. And we'll see if this one ends up being the one that we used for the earrings. I decided I was going to make these little flower stamps on them pink, but I never said that in the video, so now I'm just saying it in the voiceover. And then with this ghost, I think I just want to leave him like that, although I think I am actually going to add some black eyes to him. You've probably seen that I already completed these ones. I did these the other day and I didn't really want to film because I was like super sick and I had no way to talk and I just was not feeling it. But I did want to make these, so check out how cute they are. Okay, so now we're going to do that for the other ones. I'm going to set my paint aside and we're going to let those dry before we glaze them. I'm going to also glaze some of the little ghost earrings. I think those will be super cute, shiny. So we'll see how that turns out. But I'm not going to glaze the ones that are super small like this because I don't want to worry about all the holes. And then I'm not going to glaze these because I kind of like the style of them being more matte like this. You can see I've already put some of the hoops in them. But yeah, let's get going on these. I think I'm focusing mostly on gold for these, for all the jewelry. Maybe I'll do some silver ghosts, but in general, I feel like gold just like matches the fall colors better. I'm gonna link everything I'm using in these videos in the description in case you're interested in making some yourself. So I was preparing chains for this necklace, but oh my goodness, they're so stuck together. So I need to untangle some of them and then I'll be able to turn it into a necklace. This chain might be a little bit short for what I'm going for this yellow one, but we'll see. So because I only have silver chains, I am going to do a silver
hoop for this one. We're going to go for this size. I'm just going to put that onto it in general, and sometimes people recommend to put it on a specific chain. Sometimes I'll do that, but not always, because I think it can be good when it can move around a little bit. As annoying as it is when the necklace spins around and then you get that at the top. But so I think I'm going to make a part 2 to this video. First of all, because I have a lot more to do for these, and I think it'd be fun to do another full video. So again, in my description, I've got all the links to all the stuff you'd need to do the same thing as me. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching this vlog.